National Agency for Food, Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, says 22 bakeries and 25 sachet water factories have been sealed during routine inspection in Maiduguri. The agency's coordinator in Borno, Nazir Mato, disclosed this shortly after a raid in Maiduguri on Sunday. Mato said some of the shut factories did not meet the minimum requirements to operate, while others were not registered with the agency. He added that we have done a lot in terms of surveillance, investigative inspections and prompt response to consumer complaints and alerts. The objective is to ensure that the health and safety of the public is adequately catered for. Recently, we embarked on serious sensitization visits to worship centers across the state. We have visited not less than 20 mosques and churches to create awareness on key issues of health concern, ranging from dangers of drug abuse and how to identify fake products. We have also educated people on the dangers of calcium carbide, a dangerous chemical used to hasten fruits ripening, and the efforts has yielded positive results. Many people are more aware now and are wary of things happening around them. Operationally, we have paid surveillance and unannounced visits to bakeries to ascertain their good hygiene practices and to further ascertain their compliance with NAFDAC regulations.